Hi, I'm Cecilia Wheeler, and this is Bill Wheeler with Wheeler Vacations and Tips for Your Trips. Guess where we are today?
Today we're at Great Stirrup Cay, the private island of Norwegian Cruise Lines. We're here on the Norwegian Joy. Let's take a look at what's going on here on the island. But before we do, make sure you hit that subscribe and like button down below, and we'll be right back.
Hi, and welcome back. Did you hit that subscribe and like button? I hope you did.
Now let's go see what's on the island. Come along with us. Great Stirrup Cay is Norwegian Cruise Lines' private island. Coincidentally, it's right next door to Royal Caribbean's private island. From the moment you get off the tender, you're met with lush landscaping. Everything is immaculate. So we're ready for a great day. Here's the lighthouse that is the focal point of the island, and there's plenty to do, including zip lining. Let's see where we go. Patron Bar, Bacardi Bar, Bacardi Bar. There's plenty of shopping opportunities, but it's not in your face like a lot of Bahamian islands. So here we are at the Bacardi Pavilion, and you can see that the ship is always nearby, and we just took a brief tender ride in. It's interesting to note, though, if you get drinks on the island, there is sales tax. This is the life. This is my favorite part of the trip. Let's just take a second and just enjoy the moment. Yeah, this is the life. Even though there were probably 4,000 to 5,000 people on the island that day, because we had a full ship, it never felt crowded. That's one of the benefits of having your own private island. And each cruise line has its own private island, so you get a different experience each time. The water was a little bit cool just because it was April, but it was still refreshing and wonderful to enjoy. And like most private islands, they have plenty of water sports if you want to do something, or there's plenty of nothing to do on the island. And if you get hungry, there's always food nearby. They had a great dining hall. We had some dietary issues, but we ate before we came on the island. But there's always plenty of entertainment no matter where you went on the island, which was fantastic. Well, that pretty much wraps up our trip to Great Stirrup Cay today. We're heading back. And again, we're met with those fantastic landscaping that they have everywhere. Everything is clearly marked. We have the happiest crew. And we had a fantastic day. Getting on and off the tenders was easy and it's accessible. And I would recommend getting there early so you get on the top deck, because that's the easiest, so you don't have to deal with stairs. Well, as we say goodbye to Great Stirrup Cay today, we had a fantastic time, and look how calm that water is. Well, it's getting time for dinner. So here's Bill and Cecilia Wheeler from Wheeler Vacations saying smooth sailing, bon voyage, and we'll see you soon. Visit us at wheelervacations.com for your next trip.